We were all lost. We were all searching in the dark, looking for a way out, looking for hope, peace, and a future. But Christ came to adopt us and to bring us back into His family. John 1:12 says, "But to all who received Him and believed in His name, He gave the right to become a child of God." God chose you. He chose you even before the creation of the world to be holy and blameless in His sight. In love, He predestined you to be adopted as His son, as His daughter, through Jesus Christ. And this was His good pleasure, and this was His great will. The Lord chose you. He wanted you in His family. He wanted you to be a child of God. We left the kingdom of darkness and entered into a kingdom of light. The old is gone, the new has come. Christ has now become the light of the world in us, so we are the light of the world and the salt of the earth. Praise God for the glorious transformation. We have an inheritance, we have a Father, and we have a home that we're waiting to go to.